She took my spot. My dog took my spot. Sana ako ngayon matutulog. Yan, katabi niya si Barry. Si Barry tulog na. Okay. So, yung higaan ko, kinuha niya. What should I do now? Where should I sleep, Danny? Where should I sleep? Okay, go to bed. Ayan. Nagigising siya pag may naririnig. Ayan. Guard dog. She is a good dog. She guard us. Kaya naman, nasa pwesto ko siya. Look, Barry is already sleeping. Okay, sleep. Good night, night. Good night, Danny. Good night, Danny girl. Are you sleeping already? Close your eyes. Ayan, may nakita siya. Lumilipad kaya nagising. Barry's already sleeping. Ayan, ang pwesto ni Barry. Okay. Good night, Danny. Good night, Danny girl. Good night. That's my Danny girl. She took my spot. What a dog. Spoiled brat.